Best I'll take the fan of parrot, but parrot is becoming. Yes, apparently the Gresham never get up much of it, you know. So I go eat it. Me have a French not eat nothing else but parrot, Sally. Sally not eat nothing else but parrot. So you see the island of the BAMMY now, me have to go. Sally not eat nothing else but the parrot. So I want to go on the parrot them the way down in the ocean. Looks like it, not you? Oh, the water, oh, the water, oh, the water. Oh, go the girl, go the girl, go the girl, go the. You know, say I'm chose this something else to make it look like say. Let me fix up myself here. Hold on. It'll make it look like say my belly big. Parrotfish like to sleep. Oh, all right, really? Is that what happened? Why they're not getting much of them? And apparently there wasn't even much fish out there either. You know that? Fish never get much fish. You know, like when Island of BAMMY, you know, seriously, it really do my goating. Should just put a little bit in there. I'm going to do the big one and show you how my grandma teach me how to fry fish. And sometimes we just toast it, so you don't use a lot of oil. But this BAMMY look like it never dry properly. It never. It's fresh. It's fresh. And this BAMMY not come from Sentinel, it come from Ochi. Let me get the next something so you can see what I go on in a DW hometown. So I'm going to fry up one of the couple of the fish so Gresham can get some food. But hey, he's jet lag. Oh God, me I broke up everything, you know. He's jet lag. Sorry guys, sorry. He's jet lag. So Gresham we both have 2 different houses in Jamaica, right? So he has a house in Ocheris and we have a house in Santa Cruz. So obviously we had the houses before we met. So what we do, we take holidays apart sometime, and if you know to go and work on the house if you have work to do. And I make sure that I go and spend time in that house because I work hard. I work hard to build that house, so I can't dead left it and enjoy it. But if you enjoy it, I mean, if you enjoy it, what you say? Yeah, man. Saint best that is it, yeah. So the BAMMY now kind of right. So I'm going to put the hold on. Should put on the kettle so I make some tea. Cause him say him have headache. Him say headache, guys. Him have what you call it? Jet lag, but headache. So how is everybody? What's going on? How is it Monday? Donna is up and running and looking after food. What is going on in YouTube land? What is the latest bangarang going on in Jamaica, England, America? You know it go already. Election is upon us here in London. Yeah. Election is upon us, guys. Election is upon us here in London. Look, it's after almost 9 o'clock. You can see my lettuce. And you can see best beans. Did you see my lettuce from my garden? Have a look.